Ever find yourself wondering if your hard-earned money is truly working as hard as it could be? I mean, it's sitting there, maybe in a savings account, but is it actually growing at a rate that makes a real difference? In today's financial landscape, where every little bit counts, maximizing the return on your savings has become more crucial than ever. And that's precisely what we're diving into today. We're not just going to talk about savings accounts in general. We're going to pit two of the biggest names in the high-yield savings arena against each other, Ally Bank and Marcus by Goldman Sachs. These aren't your traditional brick-and-mortar banks. They're primarily online institutions that have gained immense popularity by offering significantly higher interest rates on your deposits compared to the national average. Think about it. For years, many of us have been conditioned to accept paltry interest rates from big banks. Pennies on the dollar, really. But the rise of online banks like Ally and Marcus has shaken things up, offering a compelling alternative for those looking to grow their savings faster and more efficiently. So, if you're curious about which of these financial powerhouses might be the better fit for your savings goals, you've come to the right place. We're going to break down their key features, compare their offerings head-to-head, and ultimately help you make an informed decision about where to park your cash for optimal growth. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's establish why high-yield savings accounts are even important. In simple terms, a high-yield savings account pays you significantly more interest on your balance than a standard savings account. This interest, compounded over time, can make a substantial difference in the growth of your savings. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a new car, a dream vacation, or simply building an emergency fund, a higher interest rate means your money works harder for you, earning more without you having to do anything extra. Now, let's introduce our contenders. Ally Bank. Ally Bank has become a well-known name in the online banking world. Established in 2009, though its roots go back much further as the financing arm of General Motors, Ally has built a reputation for its competitive interest rates, no monthly maintenance fees on its savings accounts, and a user-friendly digital platform. They offer a range of banking products, but their high-yield savings account is often a primary draw for many customers. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Backed by the long-standing financial expertise of Goldman Sachs, Marcus launched in 2016 with a focus on providing straightforward, high-yield savings accounts and personal loans. Marcus has quickly gained traction due to its competitive rates, the trust associated with the Goldman Sachs brand, and a simple, no-frills approach to online banking. So, how do these two stack up when it comes to the factors that matter most to savers? Let's dive into a detailed comparison across several key areas. 1. Interest rates. This is often the first and most crucial factor for anyone considering a high-yield savings account. Interest rates can fluctuate based on market conditions, but both Ally and Marcus consistently offer rates that are significantly higher than traditional banks. Ally Bank. Ally is known for its competitive and often top-tier APY, annual percentage yield, on its high-yield savings account. It's important to note that these rates can change, so it's always best to check their official website for the most up-to-date information. Ally also offers different tiers for certain products, but their primary high-yield savings account typically offers a single, competitive rate for all balances. Historically, Ally has been quick to adjust its rates in response to Federal Reserve changes, which can be a significant advantage in a rising interest rate environment. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Marcus also consistently offers a very competitive APY on its online savings account. Similar to Ally, their rates are subject to change based on market conditions. Marcus typically offers a straightforward interest rate structure, without tiered balances affecting the APY. The backing of Goldman Sachs can provide a sense of stability and reliability for some savers. Head-to-head, both Ally and Marcus are generally neck-and-neck when it comes to their headline interest rates. There might be slight fluctuations where one might be marginally higher than the other at any given time. It's crucial to compare the current APYs when making your decision. One might offer a slightly better rate today, but this could change tomorrow. Therefore, focusing solely on the current rate isn't the only factor to consider. 2. Fees. One of the significant advantages of online banks like Ally and Marcus is their typically low fee structure compared to traditional banks. Ally Bank. Ally generally does not charge monthly maintenance fees on its high-yield savings account. They also typically don't charge fees for standard transactions like online transfers or incoming wire transfers. However, there might be fees for certain less common services, such as outgoing wire transfers or excessive withdrawals from a money market account, though this is less relevant for a pure savings account. Their fee structure is generally transparent and easy to understand. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Marcus also stands out for its lack of monthly maintenance fees on its online savings account. They generally don't charge fees for online transfers. Their fee structure is also quite minimal, focusing on providing a straightforward savings experience without nickel-and-diming customers. Head-to-head, in terms of standard fees associated with a high-yield savings account, both Ally and Marcus are excellent choices, typically charging no monthly maintenance fees and minimal fees for basic transactions. This is a significant advantage over many traditional banks that can erode your earnings with various charges. 3. Account features and accessibility. Beyond the interest rate and fees, the features and how easily you can access and manage your money are important considerations. Ally Bank. Ally offers a broader range of products beyond just a high-yield savings account, including checking accounts, money market accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and investment options through Ally Invest. Their online platform and mobile app are generally well regarded for their user-friendliness and comprehensive features. They offer features like savings buckets to help you organize your savings for different goals, and their customer service is generally considered responsive and helpful, available via phone, email, and online chat. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Marcus primarily focuses on savings accounts, CDs, and personal loans. Their approach is generally more streamlined and less feature-rich compared to Ally. Their online platform and mobile app are known for their simplicity and ease of use, focusing on the core functionality of managing your savings. While they offer customer support via phone and online chat, their ecosystem is less extensive than Ally's. Head-to-head, if you're looking for a wider range of banking products and more features within the same institution, Ally might have a slight edge. Their savings buckets, for example, can be a valuable tool for organizing your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.